Hey everyone, Jerry James Stone here, and today's recipe is, well, it's a baked oatmeal. It's a blueberry and walnut baked oatmeal, and I love oatmeal. It's one of my favorite things, but if you kind of have an issue with the texture of oatmeal because it's not the most appealing, this is a really great way to get a lot of that yummy, healthy oatmeal into your body in a delicious new structure and format. It's baked, it's like a little plenty cake almost. I think you're really gonna love this. Let's get to it. Okay, so to start making this recipe, we're gonna begin with some rolled oats. We're gonna add in some baking powder, some ground cinnamon, salt, some brown sugar, and I'm just gonna mix that together a little bit before I add in the wet ingredients. Break down that sugar. Okay, I'm gonna add in some half and half, beaten eggs, and some vanilla extract. Let's go ahead and mix that all together. Now we're gonna fold in our frozen blueberries and some chopped walnuts, and just fold this all together. Add the mixture to a 9x9 pan. Get it spread out evenly. Let's give it a good shake. And now we're gonna bake it at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. After you remove it from the oven, when it's done baking, just let it cool for a little bit and then dig in. How great does that look? There you go, that's your next breakfast, right? Okay, let me know what you think of it. Drop a comment below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And hey, if it's your first time watching, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.